In this video, I'm going to share with you how to remove a background of an image in Canva. Now, these are going to be one of these quick tip videos that I will be doing occasionally on this channel, just showing you some of the things that I use inside of my business to help me to achieve results, as well as how I actually market on social media and things like that. And with this particular video, this is something that I do inside of my business whenever I am promoting. So whenever you have seen any of my other videos where I talk about using Facebook and leveraging any type of social media in order to promote an affiliate product, you definitely want to use some type of an image in order to capture the eyes of the people on social media. Because if you're just using a text-based post, most people are just going to scroll past through it. We need to create eye-catching images and things like that in order to get more people to look at our image and actually comment below to get more details about whatever it is that we're promoting. So I'm going to share with you how to do this and how to do this in Canva. And this is something else that I've also mentioned several times in my videos on how to use Canva in order to help you to create your images and things like that as well. Now, also with this, you can leverage this to create your thumbnails on YouTube in addition to your marketing strategies. So let's dive in and let me go ahead and share with you really quickly how you can remove the background of an image in Canva. So right now we're looking at canva.com, and for any of the other videos where I have mentioned this site, you'll be able to use the free account in order to make your images. Now, to do this, you will need to have the paid version of Canva. Now, they do offer a free 30-day trial. So take advantage of the free 30-day trial and use all the features inside of here that you can get as part of that. And then you can pay annually, or you can have it pay once a month for, I think it's like $13 once a month after your initial 30 days. Now, if you decide that you don't want to keep Canva, the paid version, that's completely fine. They will also send you a reminder letting you know that they're about to charge your account. So just make sure that you just cancel your paid account before those 30 days. But I promise you, if you are really heavily into marketing, especially using social media, I promise you'll probably end up keeping the paid version, because this is it's just a really helpful tool. So what we want to do is we want to choose any of these particular designs or whatever else you want to use in order to create your image. So I'm just use this one for this example. And what I want to choose a picture that I have already uploaded. So if you already have an image, make sure you come over here, click on Uploads tab, and then click here where it says Upload an image or video. And then you want to upload your image or your video, and it will land here in this panel. So I'm going to choose this one right here, with the red hair. And I want to expand it out, okay? And all I'm going to do, since I have my image uploaded and I have it in this frame, the edit frame, I'm going to click on this tab right here where it says Effects. So I'm going to click on Effects, and then right here, boom, Background Remover. All I have to do is just click on this, and guess what happens, guys? Boom. That's all it took. It only took a few seconds, and trust me, just by this taking a few seconds, this is going to help you when it comes to creating your images, your thumbnails, your marketing images, and everything else within minutes. Now, some of the things you can also do is if it didn't erase everything that you needed for your image, you can come over here and click Erase, and you can, clean it up, erase what you need to. And then they also have the Restore tab. So if we click on Restore, guess what happens? I can go ahead and put that all back, and it'll actually put the color back if I wanted to do that as well. Okay? And if you don't want the color, again, just hit the Erase tab and you just clean it up, right? If the brush size is too big, you can decrease it right here, so that way you can get those small edges, so you can clean it up and everything else, guys. But again, that's a really, really simple trick that I use to create my marketing images, especially if I need to use a transparent image, especially like how I do for my YouTube thumbnails, and again, my marketing images that I use on on social media as well. So hope you found this video helpful. Again, this is just a really quick video, but again, I just want to share with you something really quick, some of the tools that I actually use in order to help me build my business. So if you like these type of tip videos, make sure you leave a comment below. Also, subscribe to this channel, and also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.